Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to do our huge homeschool unboxing with you guys. This is a little bit later in the year than I would like. It'll probably be around October 1st before I get this video uploaded. We did take a late family vacation in August, so we knew we weren't going to start homeschool until September, but we made the mistake of not ordering our curriculum until the end of August, thinking that it would ship in 3 or 4 days. Like, we're all spoiled to Amazon Prime, right? So I assumed a couple of days and it would be here. That is not the case. It did take about 3.5 weeks to get some of these boxes in. So word of advice, when you're ordering homeschool curriculum, make sure you order in the summer so you get it in time to start the school year when you're ready. Again, that was kind of a mistake on my part. For one, I didn't realize how long it would take, and two, we purposely took a late family vacation, so we weren't planning on starting till September anyways. So we've just been doing review, no worries. That was perfect to review last year's work before we got ready to do this year's work. I do have 2 2nd graders and a 6th grader this year. So this is what they're going to be using. So let's just go ahead and show you what we're using this year. We are going with the Good and the Beautiful for most all of our curriculum, and we are using All About Learning, and we are doing spelling for my 6th grader and reading for my 2nd graders. And that is just basically extra things that I'm wanting to implement extra for them. That's obviously not mandatory for those grades because their English language arts books cover that, but I wanted to really go in depth this year on those subjects with them, so that's why we chose to do that. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. Okay, you guys, so we're going to go through this pretty fast because I have a lot of books to show you, so we're not going to be doing any kind of flip throughs or anything like that. I might film a separate video on that, on specific subjects or something, to show you a flip through of those. Let me know in the comments below and I will probably do that for you guys. So today we're basically just going to be unboxing. I'm going to kind of show you what they look like, but we can't do a flip through because we'll be here forever. So first, this is our box from All About Learning. So with this one, this is for my 2nd graders. This is the All About Reading Level 1. And this one is going to be super fun. I'm excited about that. It comes with your teacher's manual. It comes with 3 readers, and how nice is the quality of these readers, you guys? Like, these are nice hardcover thick books, and you get 3 of them with this program. Now this program, the All About Reading program, is slightly expensive. I'm just going to throw that out there. But like I said, I do have 2 children in 2nd grade. They both are, I don't want to say maybe struggling readers, but they are behind due to the last 2 years of schooling has been a hot mess, right? So that's why I talked to my husband and we decided to splurge on the All About Reading program, and I'm so glad we did. We haven't started it yet, obviously, but the quality of this looks amazing. So I'm sure that the content in it is going to be phenomenal. So I'm really excited about that. It also comes with the interactive reading kit, and it has all kinds of cards in here, color tiles, everything that you're going to need to go with this program comes in the interactive kit. Only needed by 1, and the kids are going to share this. So that saved a little bit of money with me having 2 in the same grade. And these are their activity books. So it's going to come with an activity book, their sticker sheets that they need, the level 1 packet that goes with the book. And so I did get each child their own activity packets, I guess you'd call these. I haven't even opened them up yet, so we will do that in the flip through video. But again, they are huge, so I'm really excited to see what's inside of those. Then for my 6th grader, we got him spelling instead of reading because he's pretty good at reading, so we wanted to go a little bit over spelling to help him in that. And we got level 3 for him on this. And I'm not sure because with the spelling, they only had, I think, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the levels. So I just kind of picked a level 3 based on what the website said. So I hope it is in his age range, in his level of abilities. We'll see. And it also comes with a student packet, and this is the teacher's manual. And it also comes with a spelling interactive kit. So there's his spelling. These boxes are so heavy. So with the good and the beautiful, I did kind of peek inside some of these boxes because, like I said, we are starting late and we're going to start using these babies tomorrow. So I wanted to peek inside and see if there was anything that I needed to grab supplies for or print off things, because we had to get going on it super fast. But there really was very little prep, so I'm super excited about that. And I put everything back in the box of the ones that I opened back the way they had it packaged so I could show you. So this box has a lot of stuff in it. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay, so there's that. This is, which one is it? This is the language arts for level 5. Now with the good and the beautiful, from everything that I could research on and read on their website, just because it says level 5 doesn't necessarily mean that that is for 5th grade. Their levels are actually slightly ahead. So I went ahead and grabbed level 5 for my 6th grader. And I say that because they only have level 5, level 6, level 7, and then they do an 8th grade study packet, but it's not an actual full curriculum. And then they go straight into high school. So I'm thinking we're going to use level 5 for 6th grade, level 6 for 7th grade, and then level 7 for 8th grade, and then we go into high school. And if we need the 8th grade book study, it is an option that you can add on during your 7th grade, 7th level, if that makes sense. It's kind of confusing. I did a lot of research. So I'm thinking that level 5 is going to be perfect for 6th grade. And I know a lot of other 6th grade mamas out there, 6th grade homeschool moms, homeschool moms with 6th graders. There we go. Also recommended the level 5 for 6th grade. So we will see about that. And I wasn't worried if he can't use it, if it's too easy for him and we need to go ahead and bump up and get level 6, then I'm just going to save the level 5 for my younger kids because they can use it when they get older. So it's not going to be a waste if I have to go ahead and jump up and get level 6. So then we have the level 1 course book. This is going to be for my 2nd graders. Again, level 1 is going to be slightly ahead, so it should be geared for 2nd grade. When I do the flip through, I will really be able to go through this and tell you if it's more of a 1st grade level or 2nd grade level, but it says it should be for 2nd grade. So, fingers crossed. And then it comes with a level 1 reader. And how beautiful are these? The binding is really good for little kids to be able to open the books and everything. And the illustrations are so cute. And then it comes with phonics cards. That. I also went ahead and got the beginner books B box. We already had box set A, and they read through all of these. It comes with 10 little books. They read through all of these. They absolutely loved them. So I went ahead and got them box set B, and then it also has 10 books. So we're going to try those out because they absolutely love reading them, and they are super cute illustrations. Okay, on to the next box. Okay, this is how each box comes. It is very well packaged. This looks like this is going to be their math. This is for math level 1 for my 2nd graders. This is their math box. How cute is that? It comes with the little clock that you can put it, and it has all of your manipulatives all in this one little box. How cool is that? So no losing it. They can share it. Again, I only bought one of these, so they're going to share. Then here is Math Level 5 for my 6th grader. Huge book. Lots of math. Very colorful. All of their pages are very colorful. The illustrations, again, even on the math, are wonderful. So that is his course book. It also comes with a answer key, which is great for us mamas that aren't really great at math. You know, we can flip through here and find all the answer keys that we need. And then he has a mental math worksheet, which we would probably use this for like morning work, busy work basically, while I'm working with the younger kids or something, because I can show you real quick. It is super mini lessons, so you have just a little lesson each day. So he might could do 1 or 2 lessons if I'm busy with the younger kids. And you flip it like this, because this side is going to be your answer key. So he could even check his own work. He could flip it open, do his lessons here, and then flip it over and check his work himself. So I really enjoy that. Will enjoy that, I think. I don't know if he will. And this is the Math Level 1. Again, I like how they put this kind of binding, the spiral binding, on the younger kids because it's so much easier for them to open. Again, super colorful. They both get their own math book, and then it comes with the shared math box as well. One last box, you guys. Okay, here was the other level 1 literature book. Put it over here with those. their handwriting, I went ahead and got handwriting. I'm not sure if we will use this every single day, but maybe once or twice a week, or again, it's work that he can do on his own. So this is going to be teaching him cursive. He absolutely has no idea how to write in cursive. Public school taught him very little. Basically, he can write his name in cursive, and that is about it. So I got the level 5 because it is introduction to cursive. So it should be fairly simple for him to begin. I looked at level 6 and it was a little bit more advanced cursive. So we went and stuck with level 5 on that. And then I got the level 2 handwriting for my 2nd graders. And it looks fairly cool. I got each one of them their own book so they can work on that. But I love how they're going to have handwriting, because that is something I struggle with when I'm trying to grade their papers. I'm like, I don't know what you wrote. You can't read your handwriting, so we're going to do that. Then we have the big book of history stories. History is going to be a group study for our homeschool. So we are going to be doing history. This is our year 1 course book. History, they do year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4. So we just started out with year 1. This one is going to be talking about like the Constitution and things, which I thought for this day and time was a perfect time to do that course. With history, there is, when you open up the front of the book here, there is a website that you go to and a password that you log in. And since this is group study, I will be able to go over one lesson with them, read that lesson with them, and then tell them to get their history explorers, their student explorer out. And I will print out a 2nd grade level history that goes with that lesson and a 6th grade level history that goes with that lesson. So I can teach one lesson and it gives them questions on their own grade level. So I absolutely loved that we could learn history together and they still learn it on their own grade level. So that's amazing. I will definitely be doing a review on the history and see if I like it, because this is the first time we're going to be doing group studies. Okay, you guys, sorry about that. My phone just completely died, so that's fun. But the last subject we're going to be doing is the science, and we're going to do it as a group study as well. With the good and the beautiful, you can do science and history that way, so we're super excited. There's all kinds of fun things we can do as a group in here, projects, everything. So with science, it does come loose like this. It is not bound anyway, because there's so many pages you have to take out and do projects with. So we are going to 3-hole punch and then just put it in a binder. So it's basically the only prep you need to do with their science, other than any supplies you may need, and it tells you all of that before you start the lesson. So that's really fun. So that's all we have for our curriculum this year. We have a lot, but we're all super excited about it. Some of the things, like I said, the reading and the spelling is not things that we had to have. It is extras that we are willing to implement. So if you have any questions about anything that you have saw, please let me know. I'm more than willing to answer those or figure out the answers if I do not know. But we are going to do the flip through, so be on the lookout for that. Other than that, I hope you have a super happy homeschool year, mamas. You got this, and I will see you all next time. Bye.